Welcome back to Random Thoughts Garage. For today we're discussing my F250 that hates me. Maybe it doesn't hate me, but it's really giving me a fit right now. So the one plus on this truck when I bought it is that the AC did blow cold. So the other day I'm going down the road and all of a sudden the fan just stopped completely. So went through, checked all the fuses and relays, and they were good. And next test, we have the truck on right now. Let's turn our meter on. We're going to probe. Alright, so we're 1147 on that side. Alright, 0. So there's our ground. So we are sending power to it from the switch. So let's hook up just to verify. Alright, so what we've done, taken a couple of pieces of scrap wire, hooked them into the back here. So positive, negative. So we have the negative lead hooked up. So we're going to hook the we have the negative wire hooked to the negative on the battery, and then the positive we're going to stick right here. Does nothing. So it will randomly, and then it just stops. And it picks up, and then it just stops. She tells me she's got a short in the motor. Alright, let's get her swapped out. Well, we got the new one back in, and as you can hear, it is turning. Blowing cold air again. Guys, thanks for watching. Tune in for the next catastrophe. Thanks.